Oh.
Oh, Daddy has one. Daddy has one. Aww, he's so cute.
Yeah.
I want to take a fish.
He's little, ain't he?
Yeah, he's little.
Lily's got one first.
Oh, dang.
What?
Daddy, this one's nice.
Yeah.
She's broken her new run.
Oh, Daddy has one. Mine's is bigger than yours. This is my first fish.
That is a decent size, Lil. Hold on, let me see.
He's hurting. He wasn't even hooked.
Well, that's not bad, but we'll throw him back. It's bigger than or it's smaller than I thought it was, Lil. Yours is. Get it, Lil.
Whoa, this is decent size. Daddy, this is decent size.
Yeah. Oh, one's swimming with it. Ouch. Oh, I felt him hitting it. There we go. Right there. Nice. Double up.
See, look.
Cool. Yep. Got one? Yoink. Yoink them out of there.
How does this look?
Yeah. Cool. Right there. I stole Lily's fish. I stole Lily's fish. Little bee thing. I think that's been caught a few times.
How heavy he is. He's a lot.
That's actually probably pretty good.
He's a lot heavier than he looks.
Yeah, that's a good one right there.
Yeah, that's
If we had more of them.
What do you want me to do with him?
Oh,
It's a pretty good one. Got a big mouth. Not a bad one.
that ain't a bad one. It's definitely a keeper. You gotta ask him if he's fishing for crappie.
Okay.
And if he is, if he wants them, that's a keeper though. That's an eater.
I want to
Yeah.
take him.
That's an eater. No, we're not cooking just one. Go see if that guy down there wants it. Oh. Right there.
Yeah, it seems like catching up
I can go home.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.